Today we're going to be starting a project with one of our trade partners. The project is the replacement of an existing roof lantern with one of our Vario by VELUX Unlimited Rooflights. We will also be undertaking some re-roofing work where we'll be replacing the existing roof cover on this rear extension you can see behind me. Over the coming days, I will give you an insight into the day-to-day activities of how we go about replacing an existing lantern and doing this re-roofing work. We've removed the existing roof lantern. We've also stripped back the existing roof cover and applied waterproofing for the following day. Everything ran relatively smoothly and is in a good position for tomorrow. However, the only thing that we have found is that the existing roof lantern was actually rotten due to a number of years of water ingress that had actually caused the timber internally to rot away. The plan is we're going to make the remainder of the roof watertight, we're going to apply the cap sheet, and also we're going to finish it off today with the upstand. The waterproofing has been completed and now the cap sheet has been applied. We're now in a position tomorrow to apply the glazing unit. Day 3. So we're here again, and today's activities are we're going to be bringing the crane in, which will be delivering our product, and this is managed by Vario by VELUX and supported by our trade partners. We will also be fitting the glazing system today, along with finalising the roof activities, finishing it all off, and also removing any rubbish so we have a fantastic finish at the end. And we're in a position now to move forward with the interior works tomorrow. It's been a fantastic couple of days. So today's activities will consist of some dry lining work, which includes plastering, some skimming, ensuring that internal finish is fantastic. We've been on a 4-day journey and we have now completed the project. This is a service offered by Vario by VELUX, and we can support you with any roof light support along with anything you require for your roofing services. So please feel free to get in touch and we'll happily support your dreams.